What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and you join me here today, K-tec Racing, for episode number 2 of Road to Remap. And today we're fitting their valved Supersport exhaust system to the Meg. So roll the intro and let's get into it. So we're just waiting for the car to be taken in now to have the exhaust fitted, but in the meantime I just thought I'd clarify, for health and safety reasons we're not going to be allowed in the workshop for the entire time, so I'm going to get as much footage as I can, obviously showing the befores and afters the exhaust being taken off, and I'm going to try and get them laid out on the floor at least to have a comparison side by side of the difference between the two. So obviously if there's not a lot of exhaust fitting footage, then I apologise in advance, but obviously I'll try and make it the best I can, but you guys want to hear the sound mainly anyway, so that's going to be the most important part. We'll do plenty of flybys and befores and afters and all that stuff, so yeah. Right, so just quickly interrupted the guys installing this and stuff, so if you want to take a look at the differences between the standard and the Supersport model there, obviously it comes down, there's less kinks in this side as well when it comes over here. There's a short kink in this side, but also the best bit is where now it's open sport and race valve, it goes straight through out the back instead of going through the back box. So obviously when the valve is closed it will go round through this back box and it will still be quieter, and then obviously sport and race mode, out the back, a little bit more noise, a little bit more sauce. Now it wasn't until I got home I realised obviously where I was filming in the workshop, the boys having the radio on could be an issue with copyright strikes, so obviously I'm going to have to voice over this bit. Yeah, this is just some side-by-sides of the OEM fitment, obviously on the left, and the new piece on the right. First things you'll notice is the major build quality difference. Very, very nice piece, and minimal kinks as well over the standard piece, which is a good thing, obviously for natural flow, etc. This is their non-resonated Supersport system, which allows me to retain the valve as well, which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted a little bit more sauce in sport and race, but I wanted to be able to quieten it down for when I do the longer journeys. And obviously the back box being there, it means that it can quieten it down when needs be. But obviously as we get round to the back of the system, you'll see in a moment that retaining the valve, but it's just repositioned. It is in a different place now, where obviously sport and race will send it completely straight out the back, as you can see there. We'll go straight out and completely reroute past the back box, as opposed to going through it like the standard system on the right. And then obviously closed valve will go up and through the back box and keep things nice and quiet when needs be. Let's have a quick look at everything now it's all done. There's a bit of a pig to fit apparently, so we're messing around with it for a long time, but now it's all in, nothing's touching. Obviously here you can see where the closed valve will send up through there. It's now tucked up in the way up in the where the spare wheel would be, so you won't see any of that, and it's now a tidy dual exit like that. So I'm going to get out of his way and let him put the diffuser back on and get out of here. So we're going to end the video there. Thanks to everyone for watching as per usual. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification to find your way back. Join me in the third and final episode of Road to Remap, where we're going to get this on the dyno and we're going to get it mapped and we're going to see what she makes. So in the meantime, we're going to leave you with this little montage of audio clips of this new system which sounds the tits. Catch you in the next one. Peace.